Yes. Hello, good evening, everybody. This is Shraddha Damani, and I am thrilled to be part of the third hackathon organized by ICI. Thanking for the opportunity to provide me here. Now, I'm here to delve into a very interesting topic, which is of immense importance in current landscape, that is integrating AI with client communications. Yes, you heard me right. As CAs, we are pretty good with Excel. We are pretty good with technology, using technology in drafting. But when it comes to client communication, when it comes to the bread and butter of our practices, that is where, a touch of technology, a touch of good vocab, a touch of what we feel and how we should present can make a huge difference. So allow me to present my screen and take you through the world of AI in client communications. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Great. So coming from the background of CA and, in my journey of 7 years of professional experience, ranging from fintech to trading to manufacturing, I've witnessed how client interactions have evolved in the digital age. And that's where it becomes of immense importance to use these technologies in our communications. Is the PPT visible?
Yes.
So what is the need of the hour? Today, I want to highlight the pressing need of what I'd like to call wow emails to our client communications. These are not your run-of-the-mill messages. They're personalized, engaging, and leave a lasting impression on the reader. In this era where competition is fierce and client expectations are higher than ever, it's imperative for businesses to differentiate themselves through communication technologies. Now, why are these wow emails so important? Because they elevate your professional standards, showcasing your dedication to excellence and attention to detail. Secondly, they also play a very pivotal role in winning and retaining clients. Yes, a thoughtful, well-crafted message can differentiate in securing business and also nurturing your existing relationships. But how can we achieve this in our client communications? Using intelligence, using artificial intelligence. By harnessing the powers of tools like ChatGPT, we can streamline this process of drafting well-crafted emails, then adding our own touch to it, and clicking on the send item within less than 5 minutes. ChatGPT utilizes natural language processing to generate human-like texts, enabling us to create personalized and engaging emails with ease. So let's together wow our clients. And let me demonstrate you a quick example where in this scenario, we had drafted an email. We wanted to draft an email where we were in touch with our reference firm in UAE, and we had put in a lot of effort in communication and getting the best fee for our client. We wanted to make the client feel valued and welcomed. So this is a short message which we had given to ChatGPT. And due to paucity of time, I have already created this prompt. I'll show another example of how it automatically does. But this is what we had created. And immediately, the ChatGPT, using its intelligence, created moments and expressions like gratitude, entrusting with the project, effective communication, and securing best possible fee. Now here, it also gave us a flow of how the communication should be. So it first clarified why communication is important, and then also highlighted all the channels of communication. Now, a lot of times we want to say this to our clients, but we are unable to. We are held up in just closing the work and getting the work done. But these places where you just spend 2-3 minutes extra with ChatGPT and it helps you create good communication practices with your clients. Here, it also added few more areas like exceptional results and exceptional value. And please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are honored to be a partner in your project because we said that we want to show that we value our clients. Now, a lot of times these messages could be long. So we gave another prompt that, okay, make it shorter and include these specific pointers that, we will go beyond what you think. We will be we will be part of the project and we will be there in delays and escalations. And ChatGPT, understanding our requirement, reverted with these specific criteria. Now, this was one example where we did it for one of the clients. Now the bot was trained that, okay, Shraddha wants these kind of responses. She likes these kind of words to be used. When we used it for another client of ours, it automatically used these words. And with one prompt, ChatGPT was able to understand, okay, these are the kind of words, these are the kind of sentences Shraddha likes to write to her clients. And it was able to give us the prompt response. So in this today's era, this is what I would like to highlight, that it is of immense importance that we give value in effectively communicating our job and the kind of work we've done for our clients. Thank you so much for your time today. And I'm looking forward to interacting with each one of you. My LinkedIn handle is Shraddha Damani. Thank you.